My name is Martinez de Beer. I'm the Chief Executive Officer of Milkor Industries LLC. We are a Saudi registered company, proud subsidiary of the Milkor from South Africa headquarters. We specialize in a variety of different domains of defense solutions, including air, land, sea, and cyber. And behind me, of course, is our flagship system for aerospace, the Milkor UCAV, unmanned combat aerial vehicle system. The Milkor UCAV is a medium altitude, long endurance vehicle. It is a remotely piloted system. Behind me at the back, we have a fully functional tactical ground control station. It can have multi-role or multi-purpose usages from standard ISAR, long endurance patrolling, intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance missions. On a light payload, you can get up to 30 plus hours. Line of sight's about 250 kilometers. But the uniqueness of this is also a weaponized system. It is ideal actually for F2, T2, EACE engagements, meaning it can have a camera system to find and track, identify a target, engage it, and assess after the fact. So it is capable of strategic striking. So as I mentioned, we have a wide variety, a wide domain coverage of systems. We are quite renowned for our 40mm grenade launchers, which we have a variety of multiple round, single round, under barrel, as well as our less lethal anti-riot offering. We've been in that industry for decades now, so we have a good steadfast presence, and that's also what we're bringing here as a Saudi entity to cover that need. We have an extensive naval defense solution subsidiary or company that specifically develops specialized marine systems for end users according to the requirement. Displayed here we have the Milkor IPC, which is a very long endurance, multi-day patrol vessel. It's a hydrofoil assisted catamaran, so it's very fuel efficient. It's also very stable and also multi-role, so it has ample space and coverage at the back for a multitude of payloads depending what is required for end users. So we were here in 2022. We had very good engagements. Based on those engagements, we've had very good meetings as well. So we're continuing the momentum, continuing the pace to build these relations and continue forward to getting contracts in place as in line with Vision 2030, and that's also why we have the Saudi subsidiary, which is a manufacturing entity.